I'm here to work on day 59, and I already pulled a few things out just because, and I will talk to you later. I'm just gonna work away and see what I come up with. Have fun watching. Well, that was day 59. This one's a little busy. I like it, but I was afraid to go too far with outlining and things like that because I thought that if I did too much more, it would be too busy. And that has to do with the little piece of scrapbook paper and the dots that I put in there. So hopefully by leaving it with just a few of the little black dots, it tones it down some. So I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and see about doing something else today. Long, dreary work like cleaning or ironing can sometimes allow your mind to wander freely and produce creative thoughts. Okay, so by cleaning our houses, we'll get more creative? I don't think so. All right, guys, I hope you have a great afternoon. Go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.